In this video, I am going to show you how we can lock the window taskbar permanently using group policy. So here is the window taskbar which can be logged and unlocked by any user. If you right click the taskbar and click presently there is a tick mark on, it means the taskbar is locked. It can't be dragged. But if you want to unlock it, you can just click on this taskbar, and taskbar will be unlocked and can be dragged to any corner of the window. To prevent this from happening, either you can also use taskbar settings and can turn lock the task of here from here as well. But if you want to permanently lock the window taskbar so that no one can drag this taskbar to any location on the screen, you can open the gpedit.msc and go to user configuration, administrative templates, and here you can find start menu and task. Here you will have to find your setting, log the taskbar option. So double click this policy. So here you can see it works on Windows Server 2003 operating system or Windows XP Professional and afterwards. So this setting is already available in from these operating system, and here you can view the description. And if you want to lock the window taskbar permanently, click on enable and click on OK. So this policy has been enabled. Now this setting is grayed out, and on the taskbar setting, this is also grayed out, means nobody can change the settings and nobody can unlock or lock the taskbar. So in this way, you can to disable it, simply click on not configured or disable, and it will you know will show here not grayed out, but simply as it was before. Like I will show you not configured. If you click on not configured, and here it will be visible. So it is beneficial you enable this policy, so nobody can interfere with your taskbar settings. So in this way, you can permanently lock your window taskbar. Thanks.